Tonight, deep in the mountains of Central America, Nik Wallenda, the most famous and daring highwire artist in the world,
Hear the crowd cheering for him.
attempts a walk that could transcend every feat he's accomplished in his incredible career, walking directly over an active volcano. Higher than he's ever wire walked, longer than he's ever wire walked, and with Mother Nature offering any number of fierce challenges from there. It'll test every ounce of his skill, every fragment of his preparation, and every bit of his courage. But Nik won't be the only one with their life on the line tonight. First, his wife, Arendira, will attempt her own death-defying act high above the fiery inferno. Two legends, two incredible feats. You can not miss. Right now on Volcano Live.